Hey everyone, and welcome back to another helmet cam video. This one is going to be a bit different just because of how I had to mount the camera on my helmet. For this event we were wearing US Kelly helmets, also known as Doughboy helmets, and the only way for me to really mount the camera conveniently was to lay it sideways on the brim, which results in the camera filming in a vertical format. The footage you're seeing today comes from Tennessee Maneuvers Remembered out in Carthage, Tennessee. In the years leading up to World War II, thousands of soldiers were brought to Middle Tennessee to participate in training maneuvers, which would help to familiarize them with tactics, weapons, encampments, communications, and many other things they needed to learn in order to prepare them for war. Several of these training maneuvers took place right on the streets you'll see in the video. This event happens every year in May, so if you didn't make it out this year, I highly recommend coming out to see it for yourself next year. For this reenactment, I was with my 29th Infantry Division unit and actually had the opportunity to be the B.A.R. gunner for 2nd Squad, which was an absolute blast and made for some very cool footage. Alright guys, that's enough for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.
Yes. We got a wounded.
Already?
Yeah.
Haven't heard
Is
any
it Parker?
shots.
No, it's Ben. Yeah, I haven't heard any shots either. I guess a ref tapped him. There it is. Are you loaded?
Yep.
You locked and loaded?
You can see the flash and then the...
Yeah. That's the 30 on top of the scout car.
It's alright. Nothing can go wrong with it. Just don't aim at anyone in direct. Always aim above. Yep. Don't like make it like this, but
Just like never aim directly at someone, like to the left, to the right, right above, just to add that little extra bit of safety.
yeah. This is your first reenactment. What they said, do not fire. So, if someone's 10 feet out, do not fire. The coming off that thing.
Scout car's moving.
Fire hose.
Yep.
Who's our bazooka team?
I don't know. We need one. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Ready?
Ready.
Alright, you're pretty good. Clear.
Clear. Let's go, Ben, let's go! Come on, Rector! Let's go!
Hey, Ben, bad news, buddy. Get outside.
I'm out.
What?
I'm out.
Out.
Yep.
Take it easy.
Load me up.
You've been wounded. I know. Hey! Come here.
I'm wounded.
Shoot.
I'm wounded.
I have no
Take me
idea.
back.
Alright, let's go. Thanks, sir.
Hey, we need to get me back up. Somebody get me around the corner. Get us around the corner.
We're wounded.
We're wounded.
Get around the corner.
Who's wounded? Wounded.
Don't touch the B.A.R. Don't touch the
Yep.
B.A.R.
Watch out. Watch out.
Don't touch the B.A.R.
Yeah. How far do I need to go?
LT.
Right here.
Huh? Where?
I'm gonna say get there because there's
Yeah, he's with me. He's with me.
there.
Do we have anybody around this corner here?
No.
Captain, we good? You sure we're good?
You see?
Anybody over here? Is that the I'm gonna move up to this post so I'm away from the window.
Get in here. Can't see squad out there.
Yeah. Dude, look at the barrel. It's
I need a grenade! Here!
Come on, get in here. I'm popping out again.
Popping out.
I'm gonna give him a burst. I gotta clear my jam. Gotta clear the jam. Watch out. Watch out.
Get up! Clear!
Clear.
Hold up, hold it, hold up. Go ahead.
We're moving. Are we moving? Did he call for second squad?
I can't hear. Give me another.
Grenades, they're looking for grenades.
I've got a grenade.
We've got one down here.
I'll take.
Give it to him.
Okay. When he gets up to the mines, let him have it.
All right. Oh, oh.
Help! Let him have it.
Are we dead?
I think we're at least wounded.
Oh,
Yeah,
my
we're
God.
wounded.
Y'all watch it.
If they're not busting, are they ours?
Yes.
Fall back.
Should we fall back?
All right. No, we're wounded.
Let's go. Fall back.
Come on.
Go, 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 go.
Artillery round and we're all dead. Second squad, get ready to move. You gotta push.
Crap.
First squad, base of fire. All right.
What's going on?
Get to the sandbags and give cover.
Oh, I'm empty.
Hey, Mark.
Where's Tyler? Or not Tyler? Tim, here you go.
I'm ready. You got one?
Yeah.
Here.
I got it. I got it.
Second squad, go. Second squad up.
Oh. Moving up. Watch out. Watch out. I'm moving up. Oh my gosh. I'm wounded. Parker, get me out of here. Get me out of here. I'm hit. Yeah. Go. Here, my hands are. Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Go. Get out of there. Go.
Okay. All right. We're good. We're good. All right. Thanks, Parker. You good? I'm moving back up. Not yet, not yet. I'm going a little bit ahead of you, fire.
Where's Lamb? Hey! You're second squad, get further up!
Let's go!
Yeah, take it.
Let's go!
Don't bunch up! Don't bunch up! Spread out!
Get up to the.
Spread out a little bit.
Get up to the Jeep. Lay down some heat.
Don't shoot over this Jeep with them in it.
No. Here, I'm going out here.
There you go.
Everything all right? Empty.
Here we go.
I'm running out of ammo.
I got some.
Yeah, I see him. You can't get just shot at him. I've got one more mag.
Okay, I think we're good. I've got several.
First squad! Walking fire, let's go! Let's move!
Give it to them, boys!
Hey, come on, let's go. March and guard.
Let's go!
Ready?
Are you good?
You're gonna load up. Here, take that.
Here.
Loading it fresh. I got it. You ready right there? Let's give it to him.
Check behind that truck!
Check him.
Got a captured man here.
You check him, I'll watch it. Watch your corners, boys. Clear back here!
We're clear back here by the Jeep.
Quiet! Give me two there with him.